Welcome to Bicol University, where dreams get their wings and knowledge works its magic. Take a stroll with us as we dive into the heart of this vibrant community. Now, let's peek into the buzzing hub of innovation and tech, the College of Science. This isn't just any college, it's the beating heart of Bicol University's technological prowess. Lively corridors and a space where the heartbeat of innovation is found in the minds of our present IT students.
Here, it's not just about understanding tech jargon. It's about creating the future.
We are Bachelor of Science in Information Technology students.
Bachelor of Science in Information Technology students aren't merely learners. They are the architects of tomorrow's technology, the problem solvers of today's challenges, and the visionaries shaping the future.
And the mentors here, more like tech Yodas. They guide students through the digital jungle, teaching not just theory, but the real deal. With these industry partnerships, students get a backstage pass to the tech world, gaining insight that textbook can provide. It's like learning to dance from the pros.
Join us on a journey to discover the incredible potential and passion that drives these young minds.
Welcome to a glimpse of the future, powered by the brightest minds of today.
Why did you choose IT?
Choosing the program Information Technology isn't what we have chosen. It is meant for us to know, to learn, and dig more about the chosen program. Information technology isn't just a program. It is a privilege for us to step into the world of modernization of technology.
But we have really thought about the life this wonderful opportunity will offer us. Studying computer languages, doing MS programming, doing research projects, and so on. The reason we choose this course is not just what it might offer us in the near future, but also what we can give it in spite of challenges.
We bet life as an information technology student ain't easy as we expected. The struggles, challenges compacted in a piece of truth we learn from our experiences. Even though it's difficult, the bright future that lies ahead of us is already here.
We, as information technology students, aim to achieve and enhance career prospects right after finishing the course. Programming is my mentality, my creativity, and my logic. Being a developer is so much more than just writing a code. It is a reflection of myself.
Hello world!
As the day winds down, it's not all about the techy stuff. Bicol University is a blend of experiences, from celebrating one of the awaiting events in Bicol University, which is the BU Olympics. We're cheering for each different college from the home team at sports events.
And speaking of energy, have you heard about BU Hataw? It's the heartbeat of our campus, a celebration that turns every event into a dance party. It's where students unleash their wild side, letting loose and creating memories that last a lifetime.
The spirit of Bicol University remains radiant, powered by students' dreams and the unwavering commitment of the faculty. We're here to input ourselves into challenges and tests. It's not just about gaining knowledge, it's about transforming that knowledge into success stories, one chapter at a time.